Hi guys! So, second day, first, third, pangalan na, yeah, second day, third day na namin dito sa Yerevan. And, outfit check, charot. May pinagkaiba. Whew. So, what I can say to you about Yerevan, Armenia. Tahimik ang lugar. Medyo traffic lang din ng konti kasi medyo masikip ang kanilang roads. But overall, masaya sa feeling na you are in another country. Having breakfast in a different table. Sleep in a different bed. In a different time, in a different location. Different time, hindi pala. Kasi ang time dito, same lang sa Middle East. So, yun lang.